Hello again. It's a lovely day, guys. Okay, today we're talking about lesson 4, grade 5, mission 5, lesson 4, word problem. All right, let's see what they ask us to do. They say draw 2 by 2 by 1 centimeter rectangular prism on a board or project an image of one of the board. Karen says that the volume of the prism is 5 cubic centimeters and that she calculated by adding the sides together. Give the correct volume of this prism and explain Karen's error. So we're gonna we read strategy, we draw, and we write our answer. Read, draw, and write strategy. So draw 2 by 2 by 1 centimeter. So let's do that. Okay. So if I use my rulers, I can do 2 centimeters here. 1, 2 centimeters. I can do 2 centimeters. That also, let's see, 1, 2, and I'm gonna do 1 centimeter height. So I'm gonna do measure first, like that. We need to be right there. Okay, there. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope that's not boring, but I really like to make that nice. So now it's using my little triangular rulers to make precise. Okay, so this is 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 1 centimeters. This is a 3D shape because it has a 3 dimension. It has the length, it has the width, and it has the height. Okay, so what she did, she actually add the length and the width and the height. So Karen was taking this. Karen did add 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 1 centimeters, and she got 5 centimeters. So she was doing same like when we are looking for perimeter. So if you think she add the length and the width and the height. Okay. We are adding length if we are using perimeter, which is the area or space that is how much that shape is taking. So this shape, this figure is taking this around the area that is on the floor. While when we are doing volume, volume is calculated in a 3D. So what that means, we are calculating or counting the 3D shapes, not the length. We do shapes. So here is a 1, and then here is 2, and here is 3. 3 cubes is the volume, and one more, 4. It's behind, you can see, but it is cube. It's a 3D shape. So the volume is really 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. While if she thinks about adding the linked just the lines, this line 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for height, she would have only and then answer would be one dimension. It's a linked centimeters. While if you are doing, if you are finding a volume is you gonna multiply 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters times 1 centimeter. So you're multiplying the length and the width and the height, and the product that you got is not one it's not a length, it's a cube, it's a different dimension. So like this, you can say 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 1 is 4. So you got yourself 4, but what they are centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. So what you're doing is centimeters time centimeters and time centimeter. You are calculating cubes, and that is volume. Volume is 3D. So this is centimeters on the power of 3. So centimeter of power of 3 we read as cubic centimeters. But Karen had only 5 centimeters. It's like she was calculating these lines. 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight line. So this is what she was doing. She was calculating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lengths, 5 centimeters, while volume is calculating how many cubes is figure made of. So how we can now, we draw the picture, we prove that she was wrong. We just needed to write because we did read, draw, and now it's time to do writing. So let's see how we can write the complete answer in full sentence. Karen made error because she was adding the sides like when we are looking for a perimeter. Okay, the volume volume is calculated in cubic units, which means we are counting 3D units, three-dimensional units. I don't know did I spell correctly, guys, but forgive me, Mrs.Z was not born in here, but I tried my best, and it's all about working hard. And if you are working hard, people will forgive if you are not perfect, and you don't need to be perfect. You just need to do your best. All right. So here is lesson 4, word problem, and that's how it looks like, and it's mission 5, lesson 4. Okay, I hope you have a great day, guys. Bye bye.